Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are fine. In this lecture I will solve exercise number 4.4 question number 3. Sum of the components A1, AN, DN, SN are the given. Find the ones that are missing. Part number 1. A1 is equal to 10. AN is equal to 400, D is equal to 5. We know that arithmetic progression, that is AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 into D. So value of AN is equal to 400 is equal to value of A1 is 10 plus N minus 1, value of D is equal to 400 minus 10. So take 10 from right hand side to left hand side, sign will be negative. Minus 10 is equal to 5 multiply n is equal to 5n minus 1 multiply 5, 5. So 400 minus 10 is equal to 390 plus 5 is equal to 5n. 390 plus 5 is equal to 395 is equal to 5n. So 5n is equal to 395, n is equal to 395, divide 5, 79 times 395, so n is equal to 79. Next, general formula of arithmetic series is Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Value of n is equal to 79, so S79 is equal to 79 divide 2 into 2a1, value of a1 is 10 plus value of n is 79 minus 1 into d. So next, S79 is equal to 79 divided by 2 into 2 10 times 20 plus 79 minus 1 is equal to 78 multiply 5. S79 is equal to 79 divided 2 into 20 plus 78 5 times 390. 390 plus 20 is equal to 410. So S79 is equal to 410 divided by 2. So 2 times 4, 2 5 times 10, 0 5, 205 multiply 2 is equal to 410. So 79 multiply 205 is equal to 16,195. Next, second part, A1 is equal to 2, D is equal to 5, N is equal to 20. We know that arithmetic progression, that is AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 into D. Value of N is 20, A20 is equal to value of A1 is 2 plus n minus 1, it means value of n is equal to 20. So 20 minus 1 into d, value of d is equal to 5. A20 is equal to 2 plus 20 minus 1 is equal to 19 into 5. 19 5 times 95, so 95 plus 2 is equal to 97. A20 is equal to 97. General formula of arithmetic series is Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So value of n is equal to 20. S20 is equal to 20 divide 2 into 2, value of a1 is 2 plus value of n is equal to 20. So 20 minus 1 into d, value of d is equal to 5. Next, S20 is equal to 2 10 times 20 into 2 2s are 4 plus 20 minus 1 is equal to 19 into 5. 19 multiply 5 is equal to 95 plus 4. So S20 is equal to 10 into 4. 4 plus 95 is equal to 99. So 99 multiply 10 is equal to 9 under 90. So S20 is equal to 9 under 90. Third term, that is A1 is equal to minus 7, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 225. We know that Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2A1 plus n minus 1 into D. So Sn is equal to 225 is equal to n divided by 2 into A1. Value of A1 is equal to minus 7 plus n minus 1 into D. Value of D is equal to 8. 225 is equal to n divided by 2 into 2 7 times 14 minus 14 plus 8 multiply n 8 n minus 1. 225 is equal to n divided by 2 into minus 14 plus 8 n minus 8. So minus 14 minus 8 is equal to minus 22 plus 8 n. 225 is equal to n divided by 2 into taking common 2 into 2 4 time 8 4 n minus 2 11 time 22. So 2 to cancel. 225 is equal to n into 4 n minus 11. n multiply 4 n is equal to 4 n square minus n multiply 11 equal to 11 n. So next 4 n square minus 11 n minus 225 equal to 0. So dear students, 225 multiply 4 is equal to 900. 36 multiply 25 is equal to 900. So we can also write minus 11 in the form of minus 36 plus 25 is the factor of minus 11n. So 4n square minus 36n plus 25n minus 225 is equal to 0. Taking common 4n. So 4n into n minus 4 9 times 36 plus 25 LCM 10 25 common 25 into n minus 9 is equal to 0. So again common n minus 9 into 4n plus 25 is equal to 0. So 4n plus 25 is equal to 4n is equal to minus 25. So n is equal to minus 25 divide 4. Second term n minus 9 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 9. Next we know that an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So a9 is equal to minus 7. Value of a1 is equal to minus 7 plus value of n is equal to 9 minus 1 into 8. So minus 7 plus 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 64 minus 7 is equal to 57. So a9 is equal to 57. Next part number 4, that is an is equal to 4, s15 is equal to 30. Here n is equal to 15. We know that arithmetic progression, that is an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So value of an is equal to 4 equal to a1 plus value of n is equal to 15 minus 1 into d. So 4 is equal to a1 plus 15 minus 1 is equal to 14d. So a1 plus 14d is equal to 4. Next formula, Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equal to 30. So 30 is equal to 15 divided by 2 into 2a1 plus n is equal to 15. 15 minus 1 into d, so 32 times 60. 60 2a1 plus 14d. So next, dividing by 15 on both sides. 60 divide 15 is equal to 2a1 plus 14d. So 15 4 times 60, 4 is equal to 2 into a1, taking common 2 into a1 plus 2, 7 times 14, 7d, dividing by 2 on both sides. So 2 4 times 2 times 4, 2 is equal to a1 plus 7d. So a1 plus 7d is equal to 2, that is equation number 2. Subtracting second from first, that is a1 plus 14d is equal to 4, a1 plus 7d is equal to 2. So sign change, a plus a minus a. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7d. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, d is equal to 2 divide 7. Next put d is equal to 2 divide 7 in equation 2. So a1 plus 7 into 2 divide 7 is equal to 2. So 7 7 cancel, a1 plus 2 is equal to 2. So a1 is equal to 2 minus 2, a1 is equal to 0. So next, if you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.